In order to properly document your design, you need to ensure that every component in the design is properly scheduled or tagged. Also, most tags indicate a mark which can be used to reference that component in a schedule. In Revit, this is very useful because a parameter that is used in a schedule and a tag will be the same in both locations. If you change the parameter in the schedule, it would update in the tag as well. To begin tagging elements, I'll switch to the Annotate ribbon and select Tag by Category from the Tag panel. The ribbon changes to the Modify Tag contextual ribbon. You can then move into the Drawing area and begin tagging elements. For example, when you hover your cursor over an element, you can see a preview of the tag. To place the tag, simply click. The controls in the Options bar control whether the tag will be placed horizontally or vertically. You can also select whether or not to include a leader. With leader selected, you can select Attached End or Free End to control the end of the leader line. You can also specify the length of the leader line. The Tags button displays the Loaded Tags dialog, and you can see which tags have been loaded into the project. Or you can click Load to load additional tags. I'll click Cancel to close the dialog. I'll deselect Leader and begin tagging the pipe. As you can see, there are two piping systems here: condenser water supply and condenser water return. We can see which is which by the color, but when this design is plotted, we will only be able to see black lines indicating the pipe. So you may wish to add additional detail to your pipe size tags. I'll click Modify to end the command. I'll select a pipe size tag and then choose Edit Family in the contextual ribbon. Once I do, the family opens in the Family Editor. In the Drawing area, I'll select the text. Realize that this is actually a label, as can be seen in the contextual ribbon. I'll click Edit Label in the contextual ribbon to open the Edit Label dialog. Here, you can select any of the available category parameters to use in the tag. To add a new parameter, click Add Parameter under the Category Parameters list. As you can see, the parameter type must be a shared parameter. Shared parameters are stored in an external text file and can be referenced by both family and project files. It is important to have a company shared parameter file with all of the parameters that will be needed for schedules and tags across all three disciplines. Only one shared parameter file can be used in a project or family file. I'll click Cancel to close this dialog. We can add additional detail to our pipe size tag by adding the system name. You could also add information such as the flow or velocity. In the Category Parameters list, I'll choose System Name. Then I'll click Add Parameter to Label. In the Sample Value field for System Name, I'll type CWX, since the system names are typically indicated by 3 letters. Then I'll click OK to close the dialog. Now when this tag is loaded into the project, the label will reference the size and system name of the element. If needed, you could add additional parameters to the label. Next, in the ribbon, I'll select Load into Project. In the Family Already Exists dialog, I'll select Overwrite the existing version. Back in the project, the new tag is loaded and I can see the system name after the pipe size. This helps indicate which system is which. If you wish to change or remove the pipe size suffix, you can do so in the mechanical settings.